Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're talking about a lip product that promises to keep your lips looking flawless all day long. Estee Lauder's Double Wear Long-Lasting 24H Stay-in-Place Lip Liner in the shade 14 Rose. If you're someone who loves a lip liner that stays put without the need for constant touch-ups, this one might just be your new best friend. Let's dive right into what makes this lip liner stand out from the crowd. Now, when it comes to lip liners, staying power is key, and Estee Lauder knows how to deliver. This pencil is designed to last up to 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right. It's transfer resistant, meaning it won't smudge or fade throughout the day, which is ideal if you're looking for something that can stand up to your busy schedule. Whether you're sipping your coffee or grabbing a snack, you won't have to worry about your liner disappearing halfway through the day. The 14 Rose shade is a beautiful mauve rose with a warm undertone, making it versatile enough to pair with a variety of lip colors. It's not too bold, but still adds that perfect hint of definition to your lips, giving them shape and depth without being overpowering. When I first tried it, I was impressed by how smoothly the pencil glided on. It didn't tug or feel dry, which can sometimes be the case with long-lasting formulas. The matte finish gave it a sophisticated, modern look, and it truly stayed in place for hours. No bleeding, no feathering, just clean lines that lasted all day. I tested it in a few real-life scenarios: an entire workday, eating, and a cup of coffee. Each time, the liner remained intact. It's not one of those products that you have to keep checking on or worrying about throughout the day, which is a huge win. Let's talk about some of the pros and cons. The biggest pro, hands down, is the longevity. If you're someone who needs a lip liner that won't budge, this definitely delivers. It's also easy to apply, which is often a challenge with long-lasting formulas. The shade is flattering for many skin tones, and the matte finish is perfect for creating a sleek, modern look. On the flip side, I did find the pencil a bit stiff at first. It's not a huge deal, but I would have loved a slightly creamier texture. That said, once it's on, it stays put, and that makes up for it. As for the price, Estee Lauder products tend to be on the higher end, and this lip liner is no exception. But when you consider its long-lasting performance and the fact that it's a quality product, it's easy to see why it's worth the investment if you're after a liner that can withstand the day. Now, if you're looking for a similar product at a more affordable price point, brands like NYX or Maybelline offer budget-friendly options with similar long-wear formulas. Of course, the texture and overall experience might not quite measure up, but they're definitely worth considering if you're on a budget. In terms of build quality, the pencil is sturdy and the twist-up design is convenient. No sharpening required, which is a huge plus for anyone on the go. It's not the most luxurious feeling packaging, but it gets the job done. Overall, I'm really impressed with this lip liner. If you're someone who needs a lip product that delivers on both staying power and color payoff, I think you'll love it. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to add a reliable lip liner to their collection. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've used this lip liner, drop a comment below. I'd love to know what you think of it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.